Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hassan, and in today's video we are going to discuss Bitcoin uh, with a lot of angles. So mainly we will discuss Bitcoin from three point of views. Number one is 21 weekly moving average, number two is 50 weekly moving average, and number three is a trend line that is acting as a support right now. So join me guys. You probably can see that I'm not in Amsterdam anymore, so I'm back to the Sweden. So let's talk about the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has just recently moved under the 21 weekly moving average and the 50 weekly moving average as well. Normally, what happens in the bull market, Bitcoin remain above 21 weekly moving average and the 50 moving average. In a previous drop, we see that Bitcoin just crossed below the 21 weekly moving average, but it doesn't went below the 50 weekly moving average. So what happened? 50 weekly moving average just gave a good support to Bitcoin, and it managed to get above to the 21 weekly moving average in a few weeks. So moving below 21 weekly moving average and 50 weekly moving average is not a good sign for the Bitcoin at the moment, especially if it does stay and stay for a long time under these two weekly moving average. It will not be a good sign for the Bitcoin. If we see Bitcoin staying under these two moving average, and the chance and the probability will increase for the downtrend. There's another big sport is the trendline sport that Bitcoin just not crossed yet. So we have to see how Bitcoin will react to this trend line. If it does respect to this trend line, I think it will probably will move above the 21 weekly moving average and the 50 moving average as well. Also, if we see the fear and greed index in the crypto market, it is at the 17 level at the moment. So whenever it does go below 20, we have a chance that market will move up again, because this is a time when everybody thinks that it's going to be demolished everything, and in the meantime market react oppositely, and we see a pullback from there as well. So the bottom line is that if Bitcoin stay below 21 weekly moving average and below 50 week moving average, and does not give the respect to the trend line as well, so the risk of downtrend will increase then. But if Bitcoin does manage to stay above the trendline support, and doesn't stay a lot of time, a lot of weeks under the under the 21 weekly moving average and the 50 weekly moving average, then we can see a continuation of the bull trend as well. But if don't, then the trend, then the risk of downtrend will increase, and we might see a downtrend really as well. Okay, so now what do I think? I think because the fear and greed index is significantly low at the moment, it's around 15, 16, and 17. So in my opinion, the prices will not stay bearish for a lot of time. So I think that Bitcoin can move above in upcoming weeks, maybe in the next month, and maybe at the end of the 2025, we see a good upward rally. But to see the upward rally, we Bitcoin have to pass through the 21 weekly moving average and have to respect the trend line support as well. So that's it from today's video, and this is my opinion. So thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.